Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to produce another chair leg for the dining chair project. Now, this specific variable features a round tapered design, so let's go see how that's done on Legacy CNC Turning Center. To get started, the chair leg blank is mounted into the turning center using a 4-jaw chuck. Now, the dust shoe brushes have been opened up during this cutting demonstration so we can see what's going on. The first cutting processes for most spindles is simply roughing the spindle to a general shape. The surfacing cutter does a great job of this by both surfacing the top square section and turning the stock round. Traditionally, the joinery is added to the chair leg after the shape is generated. However, here we can combine everything into one process so that when we come back, everything including the joinery is completed. These top and bottom profiles were originally designed using router bit profile shapes. However, I didn't have those cutters available, so I'm using this alternative contour turning toolpath with a tapered ball nose cutter. The small tip allows us to perform any profile detail we wish. On this turning center, we're tilting the blank manually to make the tapered plane become parallel with our cutter. That way the cutter can stay at a single plane without having to carve up and down using a ball cutter, which takes usually about 10 times longer. All the cutting processes for this chair leg design were programmed in Conversational CAM Pro, which is available to all Legacy CNC customers. Conversational CAM Pro gives us the ability to produce any spindle design we wish. All the cutters shown throughout this cutting demonstration were provided by Magnate. You can visit their website at magnate.net. And there you go. Even a simple turn design shows why not all turning centers are created equal. Now, if you'd like to see what a Legacy CNC can do for your woodworking capabilities or business applications, I recommend you visit our website at lwmcnc.com. You can also talk to a CNC expert at any time by calling 801-491-0010. To see more cutting demonstrations like these, I recommend you click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check that notification box, and as always, thanks for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.